Chukwumerije said that our hope has been kidnapped by Nigerian politicians.
What I ended up putting in that ballot box was not a piece of paper. What I ended up putting in that ballot box was my hope for a country where young people would not be so disillusioned by the actions of their own parents, of their own leaders, that they will be willing to risk crossing the Sahara Desert on foot just to escape. That was what I put in that ballot box. That was what my presiding officer refused to upload for 3 years. He was a first-time voter, pregnant with hope. But somewhere between the polling unit and the collation center, that boy's future was waylaid by a politician that used biro to cross out his destiny, a politician that found where that boy had written hope and wrote over it hopeless. It is a terrible thing when a Nigerian is kidnapped on the way to Zamfara or Makodi or Enugu, but it is infinitely worse when Nigeria herself is kidnapped on the way to the collation center. I tell you, my brother.
Our hope, the hope of a new Nigeria, whereby youths trooped out en masse to vote for the candidate of their choice. If the election was free and fair, nobody would have complained. But that hope was dashed by one man, the face of this betrayer, Professor Mahmood Yakubu, the chairman of Independent Electoral Commission of Nigeria, who, having assured many Nigerians, especially the youth, that this time around, February 2023 presidential election, that their votes will count, by promising them that their votes through polling units will be uploaded in real time through beavers.
As fake news.
He failed.
The commission will upload polling unit level results, and citizens will have access to those results in real time as we have. 2023 general election is going to be our best ever elections. We are committed, and that the votes cast by Nigerians will determine the outcome of elections. Nothing more, nothing less.
He failed. What it seems like, his promise brought out people en masse to be massacred, to be disenfranchised. That is the man who kidnapped us. The truth? We are all in the kidnapper's den.